गाइस आई होप एवरीवन इज़ डूइंग वेरी वेल। सो पहुंच आए हैं जनाब आर्मीनिया कैपासोला होटल में। आज मेरा स्टे था। अभी निकला हूँ इधर से, अभी थोड़ा सा सिटी को घूमते हैं, फिर आपको दिखाता हूँ यहाँ की थोड़ी सी नेचुरल ब्यूटी। ये देखें, जैसे फ्रंट पे भी मैं जा रहा हूँ, देखें कितनी बड़ी बिल्डिंग्स हैं यहाँ पे, अजीब व गरीब तरह की। एनीवेज लेट्स गो एंड वी विल सी द आर्मीनियन कल्चर एंड सम प्लेसेस वेयर आई वांट टू गो नाउ। ये थोड़ी सी धूप आई है यहाँ पे अभी मेरे सामने, थोड़ी सी धूप। पुराने दौर के कल्चर की तरह देखें, अभी भी इधर ये गलियाँ वही उसी तरह हैं, और देखें कितनी डेवलप हैं। अभी इस गली से हमने नीचे उतर के, रास्ते का मुझे थोड़ा सा आइडिया हो गया, कल भी मैं इसी रास्ते से आया था। तो हमने उतर के ये नीचे हमने मेन रोड पे आना है। मेन रोड पे आ गया हूँ मैं। यहाँ पे मॉस्क देख रहा हूँ, मस्जिद, अभी उसी साइड जाता हूँ। लेकिन ये देखें आप इस तरह की गलियाँ, देखें ये सर यहाँ पे आ गए हम मेन रोड पे। अभी इधर से मैंने जाना है। ये मेन चौक इधर में some people they are saying that there is only one mosque, but today on a Google map I will search, here they have one more mosque.
अबो मैं तिंदे
यहाँ पे बहुत फेमस है इनकी कॉफ़ी, इट्स वेरी परफेक्ट वल्ला, वेरी ऑसम, वेरी परफेक्ट। लुक द व्यू गाइस। It's not like very cool here like in city, but outside when you are going there is too much cool. I think this is parking. Food is for parking, place parking. In the city town I think they can park with the permit. I think we have to go that side. You can see the main road and it's like a, you know, when we are saying it's a choke. Don't know what they are doing, or I think they are doing some art or some painting. अभी यार गाइस यहाँ पे के इस तरह से look they are doing the art. I think it's some handmade art. देखें पिक्चर भी कैसे, पिक्चर के ऊपर से पिक्चर लाइट। ओह अच्छा, ये सारा आर्ट का एरिया आ जाता है गाइस। यहाँ पे सब जो जितने भी लोग हैं वो आर्ट को बेच रहे हैं, आर्ट को परचेज कर रहे हैं इस सारे एरिया में। सेंटर में एक आर्ट बना हुआ है, वाह ऑसम गाइस। हाथ से तराशा हुआ एक पत्थर यहाँ पर दिखा रहा हूँ। क्या है, लेकिन ये मेरे ख्याल में ये उनके कंट्री का कोई जैसे कोई मोस्ट फेमस पर्सन होता है, समथिंग लाइक दैट. So that's why they are making the art like a statue. It's very perfect and it's a handmade guys. ये हाथ से बना गया है completely. गाँव वाले मौसम में. और आपको मैं मज़े की बात बताऊँ कि यहाँ पे कुछ दिनों के बाद बर्फ़ भी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. As you can see, these all are handmade paintings, and the guy who made that is the black guy who can made all these paintings. And I can show you the painting now. You can see these all are handmade guys. These all are handmade. You can see the perfection. You see? Hello. Hello. This very good, beautiful. You made with hand, yeah? You actually he don't know how to speak the English, but he can make this art. See? Oh my God! See guys, this one, the baby pictures. As you can see. Oh. But guys, trust me, these all are handmades, and he'll doing all this stuff. Very perfect. Now I can show you the more, because here in this area you can find only the art things. Here you can find only the art things. Nature lover place. You can if you want to visit here in Armenia, you must visit here these stalls. See, one lady is standing in the road with the old building. These all are perfect, nice and perfect. I think this guy made this. This is his stall. I think he can make these all. Oh wow! Hello. These all made you?
My works.
These? Oh, nice. Guys, this guy made these all works. Very nice, very perfect. Thank you. And these also by yours. These also yours.
My works.
Oh my.
And my works.
Oh. Perfect, sir. Perfect.
You Farsi?
Yeah?
Farsi? No?
No Farsi मालूम.
Arabic.
Arabic. English.
I am not speaking English.
English you know speaking. You live here in Armenia? You here? Perfect. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Khuda
Hafiz. Guys, he knows English little bit only. Actually, he is living here, and I think he is only the way where he earn, and this is the job only he is doing. He all made these handmade poetries. You see, guys, very perfect. Very kind and humble people are living here. Even they can help you, and they are very helping, guys. From there, actually, I am there on the other side, and just now I will saw this statue. It's very perfect. I will show you. And guys, trust me, these all things are handmade. Oh, perfect. Really. The main spiritual group is Force famous. Oh, who played main role in the Armenian popular comedy. Oh, so it was, guys, these four are comedian men in Armenia. They make some films and they are more famous. As you can, I don't know, but you can read this. These are more comedian men. Okay, let's go to the next spot and I will show you more. Write in their own language something here on the downside, but I can't read, and don't know, it's not in English. Actually, it's in Armenian language. So I don't know what they write, but it's about the statue, and I think they can put one more thing here. Look, please. Everyone, look this. These are available in mini size also. I will show you more. Look. Guys, it's very nice. As you can see, this man made this. Wow, perfect. It's very perfect. MashaAllah. And this one is the main roundabout there in this city center. There is also one rose shop there. Yeah, very perfect. And I think these all are original roses, right? Yeah, whoa. These all are original. Let's see.
we're going to Cascade.
People from different countries, they come here, they visit this place, and it's very perfect and it's very nice place because you can enjoy the real beauty here. You can get, and I must recommend to come here, and you must visit this art center where outside that is a flower outlet is there. And I suggest everyone to come here. You can get the flower for your someone who want. We can go the other side, and we can take picture from there. I think that are the same, but now we are going to the other side of the road. We can go there, we can take pictures there. And here also road crossing, but it's red now, so when it's allow us to go there, we are going there, and I will show you there what's there. This one is bus there, guys. The public bus. Some buses are only with the electricity, and some are without electricity. As this one is without electricity, and I don't know how it will work here. He will going to the left side, and I don't know why he is not using that roundabout side. Actually, everyone have their own traffic laws, and everyone have their own traffic rules. But in our side, in our home country, we are using that line, and then we are going to the other side if we are going to left. But every country have their own traffic laws. Now it's open, and now we are going to the other side of the road, and as I will show you that what's there on the other side. Let's go to the other side. And it's only 8:07. It's like 6% now. 4, 3, 2, 1, and the red signal is again turned on. There is also some place, but it's, I don't know, it's empty. I will show you there the other side of that road, where is also the some buses are there. I will show you. Let's go to that side of the road. Let's go to to this side. Granny Garhed. I will show you what's there. Oh, when you are coming here, you will saw. What's this? It's in English, but I know it's in Armenian language. Okay, let's go. Yalla. There is bus station where the people are there, here on this side, bus station side. From here you can take the bus, and you can use the Google map for everywhere if you don't know. Oh, here is also one more statue. I will show you. Where is that statue? It's amazing. I will show you the other statue there on that side. This is also one statue, and that people, and oh wow, that guy is sitting on some tree. I will sit here, guys. Here is one empty place. I will sit here.